Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a flagship showdown between two of the most highly anticipated smartphones of 2025, the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let's see how these powerhouses compare. First, let's talk about the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The iPhone 16 Pro Max continues Apple's trend of top-notch design and performance. It boasts a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology, delivering smooth scrolling and vibrant colors. Powered by the new A17 Bionic chip, the Pro Max is incredibly fast and efficient, handling everything from gaming to multitasking with ease. One standout feature is the advanced camera system with a 48-megapixel primary sensor, offering incredible detail and dynamic range. Plus, Apple's iOS 17 brings a more intuitive user experience and deep integration with the ecosystem. However, it's still locked into Apple's ecosystem, meaning you might miss out on certain customizations. Now moving on to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung's flagship is a force to be reckoned with, sporting a 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate, providing an ultra-smooth and bright screen. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400 chip powers this device, making it a performance monster. The 200-megapixel camera system is one of the standout features, delivering stunning photos with unmatched zoom capabilities and incredible detail, even in low light. Samsung's One UI is packed with customization options, offering users more freedom than iOS. The S Pen support for productivity is another key advantage for Samsung fans. So, which flagship should you choose? If you're a fan of smooth performance, seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem, and top-notch camera quality, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is an excellent choice. On the other hand, if you want a larger display, more customization options, and a cutting-edge camera system, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra might be the one for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. See you in the next video.